Nā te ao, ko te ao tūroa. Tana ko te kore te ao mārama, nā te kore. Tana ko te kore te whiwhia, tana ko te kore te kerekere. Tāna ko te kore te matua, tāna ko māku. Ka moi ia, maho rānui atea ko te raki. Ka moi ia raki I poharua o te pō. Ko ao raki, me raki māmā o tana tāwhiri mātea. Ko tū te raki whanua. Uira ki te maha nui a māo, ko te ao takata. Ti hei mauri ora. Ara Whakatipu for me, it's all about connection, I guess. Connecting to our whenua, connecting our young people together, connecting ourselves with our ancestors and culture of the past. Just being able to bring in rangatahi from all over Aotearoa and ahi te reiria, Ngai Tahu whānau that have no connection or full connection, and bringing them together as one whānau. It's quite a special thing.
Hollywood Valley Track, we're starting it now, 5 hours. What's gonna happen?
Good.
Sweet. All right, let's get into it. Now through the walk, I'm a big fan of grab and touch and feel and smell and eat and try. Obviously not that toot or the stinging nettle. Don't do that with those two.
Oh,
but the rest of the bush, yeah, just like a person, you don't know them until you're giving them a hongi or a handshake. Eh? Same with the bush.
Being here, like, it really shows how much BS we put up with in the real world, like how much stuff we absorb that we shouldn't be.
You don't really focus on anything else but where you are, like it brings you into the present.
Some of the things you see, I'm so grateful to see those things.
Just like the land and how it's been carved out over like hundreds of years. Just the fact of being able to visit the South Island for the first time.
I just like being outdoors, like I'm quite an outdoors person, like being submerged in nature.
It's only recently that I wanted to make a connection with the Ngai Tahu part of me.
I never grew up with the Māori culture in my whānau and in my whare. I've always just had a passion to learn more about where I come from and who I am and where I reign from, basically.
Our ancestors had it rough, having to make everything from scratch. It's pretty cool, like, to find the ways that they did it and how they did it and just like how they got through.
I like hearing about the plants and where they've come from and where the names have come from.
For us to stay connected to the taiao, it's pretty gangster.
Like, we all got our own special packs, obviously everyone's was different, but we had like papers of each marae, just all the information from each rūnaka we're from, but also the special gift we got was our whakapapa, like our family tree, like how we are connected from Ngai Tahu, all the generations.
They are the
My parents telling me about like our Māori side and things, but actually seeing it on paper, like how we're actually linked to it, is really, really cool.
Information, learning things, like stories. I like the stories that they tell. They're like really entertaining.
All of us, everyone here, whakapapas te Tahu Pōtaki, and so he's our founding ancestor. So Ngai Tahu means the people of Tahu. And so if we go back 22 generations ago, he was around at that time.
When Ngai Tahu finally secured mana whenua status on the West Coast, as Kahu said yesterday, they carved it up and then they decided who were they going to put where, and this was a really important area because it linked the West Coast with Southland and with Otaka or Otago, so this trail was really, really important to secure this because of Pounamu.
Will can sort of register Māori, right? In real terms, you know, he was, I guess, in legend, he's a demigod and a creator. I think in real life he would have been just an amazing explorer, right? Polynesian explorer.
Tūtoko was put here, and so you think, how did one chief manage to look after such a big area? And you'll see where he's living in the village, the trail's actually coming through here, and he was down there, and that was, as Kahu said, because of his mana, because, you know, he was revered because people knew that he was a fighting chief.
Is it just me or is this the loudest bird song we've heard?
The significance around this place, just knowing where you come from, just makes it a whole lot better.
And just the meaning behind all of these birds and all these signs that our ancestors used, it was amazing just to see that and be one with the environment. Yeah.
That same thing of being able to hold your head proud as Ngai Tahu and be proud of who you are, and to stand up and say your mihi, and to say where you've been and to know where those mountains are and whatnot. Yeah, that's what I hope some rangatahi or all rangatahi get out of it.